This is a chart of the Thailand stock index. And we're going to test some of these Fibonacci ratios and methods of using them onto this market to see how valuable they might be. And for this, I'm going to show you the fourth method of using Fibonacci ratios as applied to a chart. I actually have a couple of more techniques, but that is beyond the scope of this particular series showing Elliott wave and the Fibonacci. What I'm going to use is the same retracement tool that we have previously used, and we're using it a different way. The way we're going to apply it is we're going to apply it to what I believe that is in this market is a wave 2, and also in this next series coming up, it is a wave 4. And I call this an expansion, although we're using the retracement tool in order to identify clearly which method I'm using. I call it an expansion tool. I start at the top, drag this down to the bottom, and there we have the application. And at 261.8%, very close to that, is where the market showed us the top of the wave 3 going up here in this market. Now, I'm going to remove that just for a moment and put it on again with some of those other Fibonacci numbers already taken off. And you can see that this responded to this area and would have been valuable information for anybody using this method, that could have been a very useful target to take some profit at, or at least to be aware of. This may be the top of the wave 3, and you can see 1, 2, and this is the larger move, the 3, and following down into its correction. The application, I'll take that off, and we'll just look at another one here. And if this is the wave 4, what we're going to do is take the full range of this, again using the retracement tool, dragging that down to the bottom of the range, right there. And in this case, it showed us very, very close to the 161.8%, where the market actually turned around and fell precipitously. This is very useful and important information, that the market responds to these numbers at or nearby. It did not close at all above that number, and then the market tumbled. So what we've looked at is 4 different Fibonacci applications using 2 different tools. The retracement tool for retracements, the retracement tool also for extensions and expansions of wave 2 and 4, which can show the end of certain waves. And the last one was the Fibonacci projection tool, which is very unique and is not found in too many packages, but you can still use its values with a calculator.